Winter is here. Whether you're a fan of chilly weather or not, staying warm at home is essential. But, is your heater ready to keep up with the cold? In today's video, Gharpedia will share must-know heater maintenance and repair tips to keep your home cozy and your heater running smoothly all season long. Not sure where to start? Hiring a professional is the safest and smartest choice for heater maintenance. Experienced technicians can catch minor issues before they become major problems and ensure your unit is in top shape. Choosing the right technician makes all the difference. Don't forget to research. Ask for recommendations, check credentials and licenses, read online reviews. Schedule regular tune-ups. Like any appliance, your heater needs regular tune-ups to stay efficient. Schedule an annual checkup to prevent costly breakdowns and ensure your family's safety. Avoid emergency breakdowns, improve efficiency and safety, reduce energy bills. Change your heater's filter. Dirty filters restrict airflow, making your heater work harder. Replace them at the start of winter and regularly throughout the season for cleaner air and lower energy costs. Replace filters every 1 to 3 months. Clogged filters reduce efficiency. Inspect your heater and ducts. Take a close look at your heater and ducts. Look for damaged wires or leaks, and ensure your ductwork is sealed tightly to avoid heat loss. Clear the clutter around your heater. Your heater needs room to breathe. Clear away clutter and debris to allow proper airflow and make inspections easier for technicians. Upgrade your thermostat. Still using an old thermostat? Upgrade to a smart thermostat for better control and energy savings. It's a small investment that pays off in convenience and efficiency. Why regular maintenance matters. Regular maintenance doesn't just keep you warm, it boosts efficiency, prevents costly repairs, improves air quality, and extends your heater's lifespan. With these tips, you're all set to enjoy a warm, hassle-free winter. Don't let a faulty heater ruin the season. Take action now, and stay cozy all winter long. If you found these heater maintenance tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with friends and family to make sure everyone stays warm and cozy this winter. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Gharpedia for more home improvement tips and tricks to keep your space in top shape. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay warm and take care of your heater this season.